Hey there, welcome to my villa at the Opal Grand. Come on in.
Upon entry is the kitchenette, complete with an espresso machine. Past the kitchenette is where you'll find the living room that has a television, a pull-out sectional couch, along with another restroom before you hit the balcony. From the balcony, you can see the private villa's only pool. Now let's head upstairs to see the bedrooms. Let's start in the bathroom of the first bedroom that has a spacious standing shower, and then to the bedroom where you'll find a plush king bed along with another balcony that gives you views of the ocean and the villa's pool. Now the second bedroom has 2 queen beds and its own balcony, but what you really need to see is in the bathroom, where of course there's another standing shower, but this tub is incredible, along with 2 sinks and plenty of space. Now let's head back downstairs to check out the rest of the property. Close by to the villa's entry is where you'll find a fully equipped gym. Back out in the lobby is where you'll find the monkey bar, which is of course a natural habitat for some monkey business, or you could just go there for breakfast or an evening cocktail. I went for breakfast where I had their blueberry pancakes, which were absolutely delicious, but if savory's more your style, the Eggs Benedict was just as good. Now this is an exciting feature. It's the Tammy Fender Holistic Spa. As a Palm Beach County native, it is so fitting for her spa to be located inside the Opal Grand. She has an incredible line of products that I was able to even try during my stay, and let me tell you firsthand, they're incredible. But her approach to skincare is not just about the products and what they can do for your skin, but it's the overall experience and the energy that the products bring to your overall health. Across from the spa is where you'll find the Beach Market Cafe, another great option for breakfast or a snack, and they have illy coffee that's served. This is also where you'll find the entry to Drift, the Opal Grand's restaurant, where they take you on an elevated and exquisite dining experience with bold flavors that will leave you wanting more, especially if you end with the chocolate cake. But that's not it. There's still so much more to see at the Opal Grand. So let's go through the lobby once more, taking in this gorgeous atrium, all the way to the other side of the property, where you'll find the main pool to lounge and enjoy the sunshine. The Opal Grand Resort is located at the corner of Ocean Boulevard and Atlantic Avenue, just steps away from the Atlantic Ocean and that beautiful beach.
I hope you enjoyed checking out the Opal Grand with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized.